In the recent years, unfortunately, we've learned that Missouri was a hotbed for boarding schools to open up shop in Missouri. Fortunately, with the changes in the law, these schools are now being regulated, but aren't able to undo some of the things that we've heard about that have been happening over the past several decades. You may have heard about stories in the news regarding boarding schools like Agape Boarding School, Circle of Hope, and more recently, ABM Ministries, which is known more commonly as Lighthouse. And one of the common questions we get from clients is, did I suffer abuse? What is abuse? All they know is what they went through. They don't know or realize how the law looks at these things. And so let me talk a little bit about that. Oftentimes, of course, Missouri law and law enforcement can provide a definition or provide insight as to what constitutes abuse. But what we've found in the cases that we've investigated is oftentimes the schools themselves maintain policies, written policy, that defines abuse. And it can define several different types of abuse, from physical abuse, sexual abuse, mental abuse, and even medical neglect. And so I think that's the starting point, is to look at a school's own policies to determine whether or not they violated their own rules. Now, of course, if you think, or someone that you know thinks, that they have endured any of these types of acts and would like to talk to an attorney, we always encourage, reach out, have the conversation. Again, consultations with plaintiffs' firms like ours is typically free of charge, and you're welcome, however you feel comfortable, to reach out, whether it be a text message, an email, or a phone call.